Are you restoring your beloved E34? Then you know it deserves the right parts. So today we're looking at 3 essentials. One for styling, one for tuning, and one for maintenance. Alright, first up, let's talk style. If you want a crisp, clean, black interior like this E34, you need Schmiedmann's floor mats. Premium quality, tailored for the E34. That's the right choice. And next up, a tuning part. What I have here is the legendary Manifold. It improves exhaust flow, boosts throttle response, and adds that extra excitement to your driving experience. It's a true must-have for the E34 tuning project. Last but not least, maintenance. The E34s are known for losing coolant, and the radiator, often the problem. This brand new replacement radiator will keep your cooling system in top shape, prevent overheating, and make sure your BMW Classic runs as it should. So, whether you're maintaining, styling, or tuning your E34, Schmiedmann got you covered with the world's lowest prices and worldwide shipping.